When making Bitmoji stickers, I really enjoy using the extension on my computer because it allows me to be a little bit more creative with my Bitmojis. You can use them as is, or you can create your own because they have a transparent background. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure I log in. From here, I'm going to select the extension and I'm going to search for a sticker that I think my kids would like. Typically, I type in love and they come up more often than not a school appropriate sticker. I'm going to right click the sticker that I like and want to save, press save image as, and I'm going to rename it. I do have a folder on my desktop that I save all of my stickers in. That just kind of helps keep them organized. So from here, I'm going to press save, and I know that it's downloaded because it shows up at the bottom. The next part of this process is to actually start putting together the stickers. I personally really like the Avery labels, and I buy them at Office Depot and Office Max. They have lots of different shapes and sizes and colors, so there's really a lot of opportunity for personalizing the stickers to make them something that you really love. So I've already logged in. My account is free. So I go ahead and hover over my account and my name on the right side, and then I press projects. If you've never created a project with them before, you will be prompted to create your first one. I've already made mine, but I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like when you are first starting. Once you start to create your own project, you will be shown the screen. So from here, I type in the template number that I'm using, and you can find that on the bottom of the container the stickers are in. So I'm using template 8293, which is these round stickers. If you don't have a template number, you can use the left-hand side to select the template that you are using. So I'm going to go ahead and select this template. And here you can see a bunch of different designs that they have. You can search a certain color. So if I wanted to search something that's red, it will come up with things that have red on them. I'm going to go ahead and select this blank one because I will be putting an image on it. Press customize. And from here, we can start adding our Bitmoji images. Please make sure that you press edit one over here on the right side. Of course, if you edit all of them, they will all be the same. I like to print out several different Bitmoji stickers at a time because I want the variety. So I'm going to press edit one and it selects just the one that I'm clicking on. So now I'm going to add the Bitmoji that I selected. So I'm going to go to the left and press image and then add image and browse for file. I'm going to select the one that I saved. And now I can start to resize my Bitmoji. The one thing that I will say is that you need to make sure that you watch for the safety area. As you enlarge the sticker, you'll get this red pop-up, and that's just to remind you that there is a border that they print around. It's not guaranteed that it will perfectly line up in the middle of your sticker, so it's just kind of a buffer. So once I find the sizing that I like, I'm going to go ahead and leave the sticker where it's at. I do use the horizontal and vertical lines to make a plus sign, and that basically just means that my picture is perfectly centered. Don't forget to press save at the top. That's very important. It does not automatically save. Name your file whatever you'd like and press save to your account. Now that I'm ready to print, I'm going to go ahead and press preview and print. This window just shows that there's a warning. And what that means is that you're taking the risk of printing potentially outside of the die cut safe area. So sometimes I will print an image and part of it's a little bit cut off. And personally, I don't mind taking that risk because I'm just living life on the edge. And it's okay if the picture is cut off a little bit on the edge of the sticker. You can click on fix and it will take you to the one that it's giving you the error message for. But I'm choosing not to fix them, so I'm going to press continue anyway. From here, you can zoom in and see what they look like or will potentially look like when they are printed out. You can preview as many sheets as you have. And I choose to print it yourself. I purchased my sticker templates already, so I'm going to press print it yourself. But you can have them print it for you. It's just up to you. I don't change any of these settings. I tend to leave them alone. You can change them depending on what you're needing. I would just recommend taking a piece of paper and printing these on a test piece of paper before you use your label, just to make sure that they're printing exactly the way that you're hoping. From here, I'm going to press Get PDF to Print. And once it loads, it will give me the PDF version, and this is what I will print out. And there you go. I really hope this helps. Please reach out if you have any questions. I would be happy to help.